Last but not least on the list, I left this to last. So the reason I left to last is Ideal Media. Now, Ideal Media for me, they brought out a video of I think it was the top 8 cheapest cars that make you look rich. Like, these guys are the king of regurgitating titles and packaging the same kind of stuff. They repackage the same stuff over and over again. Now, I'm not bashing them. You know, it's basically they do very well in it. I do like some of the picks they do. You know, I do watch a lot of their videos, but you see that, you know, it does come up a lot with their channel where they do recycle a lot of stuff. They just retitle it or package it differently. And like the Mazda Miata is one of their favourite cars to mention, the Audi R8 for cheap. This whole channel is about cheap cars. I get it, but it's a lot of repeats sometimes. But this particular video was the top 8 cheapest cars that would make you look rich or something like that, anyway, along that title. But I'm going to bring up the list here for you. This is the list of the cars that were in the video. If you haven't seen it, spoiler warning. If you haven't seen it, I've now spoiled it for you. But like, when you look at this list, I mean, for me, a CT SV Infiniti Q50, like an Audi A4, you know, like a Mercedes. I'm not like, for me that was clickbait. I watched the video and I was just like, how, like, these are standard cars. None of these cars make you look rich. Like, really, they don't. I get what they're trying to do, but like, if you're going to regurgitate content or redo it again, like, I mean, let's be honest here, I don't know about you, but those cars do not make you look rich. They don't. Maybe the DDR Goonzquad GT8. Now, that's a kit car, or I think you have to put it on the chassis of a Porsche, or an MR2 you can put it on, or C7. But the core at the TLX, how? Like, I just don't get this list. I mean, look, I'm not trying to hate them, but really, come on, this list is pretty bad to me, and it just seems like when you run out of content, you repackage the title and put in cars that you just haven't mentioned before that definitely don't make you look rich. I do, as I said, I do like Ideal Media's channel. Just sometimes when they pull shit like this with this kind of video, it just annoys me, because I honestly think, I don't know about you guys, but I honestly think that list is diabolical to say that these cars make you look rich, you know. But the rest of their videos are good. You can just see a team with them. But I do like, they do mix it up and have some very good videos as well. You know, it's just a pity sometimes they let themselves down with some of the repeats that they do and the way they do it. It's just something I wanted to bring to your attention, and what you think in the comments below about Ideal Media and some of the videos that they do.